Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to present to you TED Optimus Trading Tournament 2023. Sharpen your stock market skills by competing in the largest trading tournament in town. Why you should join TED Optimus Trading Tournament? Is it because it's free to register? Yeah, probably. Free thing, nothing to lose. Even you register, also nothing to lose. Is it because of the attractive prizes? Yeah, part of it, very attractive. You can win 6 prizes in each season, 10 grand prize, Facebook most liked campaign, attractive prizes. Probably that's one of the reasons. Is it to attend free debrief by the winners? Yeah, because you can learn different trading styles. Maybe some of you like day trading, some of you like swing trading, some of you like position trading, and then you can learn from each other during the debrief. And there's a reason why people can keep on win money, so you want to learn what is their secret. Is it because you want to interact with us at Trading Tournament Malaysia Facebook support group? Yeah, probably also because you can get to mingle around with like-minded people. Is it because you want to compete with other traders at leaderboard? Yes, probably. Some of you, maybe you are a very experienced trader and then you want to prove that you can be the champion, so you want to compete with the other traders. And also, this might be the reason why you want to join TED Optimus Trading Tournament. But actually, all these are just secondary. The main reason why you should join TED Optimus Trading Tournament is because it's a platform for you to make mistakes, learn and improve using virtual money. Most importantly, it's a very positive environment for you to explore trading and compete with yourself at no cost at all. Why no cost at all? You register, no need to pay anything. You trade using virtual money. At the same time, you can explore trading. So that's why just now before the webinar started, I actually asked you guys, how many of you here still studying, still uni students, or are fresh grad with limited capital, yet you are very passionate to learn trading? And then, or some of you here, you might be working adults, yet you don't have the courage to use real money to trade yet. Okay, suddenly ask you to use 20,000, 30,000 to trade for 50,000, 100,000, you're not there. Then this is the main reason why you should join our trading tournament. Because you can make mistakes, you can learn from other traders during the debrief, you can improve everything using virtual money. And it's a very positive environment. Okay, so because at the end of the day, prizes is maybe one thing of this tournament. Compete with others is also another aspect of this tournament. But what is most important is for you to explore trading and improve yourself.